Creating videos used to take hours, writing scripts, editing visuals, syncing scenes. But now with Claude and Remotion, I can automate almost the entire process. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I turn an idea into a polished video using AI-powered scripting and code-based video generation. First, I use Claude as my creative director. I give it a prompt like, create a 60-second marketing video script for a digital automation agency targeting SMEs. Claude instantly generates hook scene breakdown, voiceover script, visual suggestions, CTA. This saves massive time because instead of brainstorming from scratch, Claude structures the entire narrative for me. Write a professional video script with scene-by-scene breakdown for a Facebook ad. Next, I bring that script into Remotion, a React-based video creation framework. Remotion lets me generate videos programmatically using components. I structure each Claude-generated scene into text overlays, motion graphics, image transitions, brand colors, captions. For example, Scene 1 equals hook text, Scene 2 equals problem statement, Scene 3 equals solution, Scene 4 equals CTA. Because it's code, I can scale content fast, perfect for agencies, ads, or social content. You can also add AI voiceover, background music, stock visuals, or generated images, dynamic subtitles. Claude can even help generate subtitle timing, visual prompts, or editing instructions. This means I'm not just making one video, I'm building a repeatable content engine. Claude handles strategy and scripting. Remotion handles scalable production. Together, they create a powerful system for entrepreneurs, marketers, and creators who want to produce high-quality content faster. If you want to build videos like a content machine, this workflow changes everything. If this video is for you, just don't forget to like and subscribe.